Welcome to Asiwaju Climate Voter Super PAC features on 10 damaging putrid filths of Governor Godwin Emefiele for the purpose of draining the swamp and restoring the sweetness aroma of the flora and fauna of Central Bank of Nigeria monetary policy landscape, in financial stability and responsible governance, rooted in integrity, openness, accountability, and best professional practices. The 10 damaging putrid filths of Governor Emefiele towards restoring the credibility and virality of CBN health for fighting inflation, combating devaluation, shoring up foreign exchange reserve haemorrhage, and firing up stunted socio-economic sustainable growth as follows. Number 1 is politicization of the CBN office when Governor Emefiele registered as card-carrying member of the ruling party, All Progressive Congress, APC. He paid 100 million naira as registration fees for the APC presidential primary through CBN developmental intervention beneficiaries, and his approach to the court to enforce his constitutional right to contest for electoral office as incumbent sitting CBN governor. Number 2 is Governor Emefiele unfair captive and subterfuge capture of President Buhari through misinterpretation, information, and statistics, his privileged access to the villa, and frequent photo ops of nebulous program launches that play on the command governance side of the president. Number 3 is Governor Emefiele utter contempt of the National Assembly through ignoring invitations and motions for hearing, and his failings to present statutory report on the economy and state worship. Number 4 is Governor Emefiele's malicious currency design program to influence, interfere, and manipulate the general election process and outcome, and thereby subvert the will of the people. His breach of fundamental rights of access of citizens to their incomes, lured by CBN directives, captured by banks, thereby inflicting penury and hardship on livelihood of the people. Gross insubordination and arrogant contemptuous of the Supreme Court judgment for suspension of the CBN directive for circulation of the old currency note, thereby overriding the constitutional rule of law. Number 5 is Governor Emefiele illegal and unauthorized naira printing of 27 trillion ways and means advances FBN and 9 trillion of developmental intervention, as well as poor progress on full repayment of outstanding 6 trillion CBN ways and means advances to Asset Management Corporation, AMCO. Number 6 is Governor Emefiele financial account non-disclosure and weak governance in non-publication of CBN audited financial account statement, its nepotism and cronyism in staff position appointments and promotions, and declining independent professionals at the executive management board level. Number 7 is Governor Emefiele dodgy and poor judgment in questionable proliferation of banking license issuance when presidential conditions call for bank consolidation amid sticky and hardcore bank borrowing recourse to the CBN standing facility, which amounted to 11 trillion in 2022. Number 8 is Governor Emefiele insipid and unsavory foreign exchange management, a multiplicity of foreign exchange rates on window platform, widening arbitrage opportunities between CBN, official, autonomous, and parallel market rates, as well as declining foreign exchange reserve. Number 9 is Governor Emefiele self-promoting, vainglory, self-serving, non-statutory monetary policy initiatives in the e-naira, domestic card, infra-corp, white elephant projects, which are at best towards the duplication of the private sector business at scale and constituting big government dream pie. Number 10 is Governor Emefiele global ranking as the worst performing central bank governor in Africa and emerging markets, which have impaired Nigeria's global credit ratings and confidence of institutional investors and strategic partners. My name is Emefiele, Chief Convener, Asiwaju Climate Voters. Thank you.